So we had a really bad windstorm on I think Friday, and completely knocked over my structure. And I have to fix it, but I might honestly just redo this whole thing for next year too. But yeah, completely fell. So I'm going to be taking this down and redoing it with zip ties. I actually don't have any more twine right now, but I'm just going to use zip ties to figure something out to cover this. But they look really pretty, honestly. Like with how the leaves are, they look really pretty. But then I'm going to take down my pumpkin cages and clean this off too. And I'll probably put the I'll probably just leave the pumpkin bags there, and I'll also put down other ones too. Then I'll cover them with straw. And then I'm going to be harvesting my marigolds to dry them, and then cutting this out too and cleaning that out as well. And I'm going to use straw to cover everything, just because that's what I have. So yeah, this is what we are going to be doing today in the garden. I'm guessing might not be the last gardening video, but I know we're getting close to it. We'll be harvesting some greens here. This is lettuce, and then that is my Swiss chard. I'm going to be getting the rest of my parsley out as well. I redid this because my picnic chair broke, so I had to take it out. And then I just actually made like a little herb area right here, and I actually like how it looks. I put my blueberries in the back. I'm not sure how this situation is going to work, just because I want to make sure that my blueberries get sun too. So but I think that might be okay. And I have all my herbs here, medicinal and they're regular. I might actually put another one there. And then the other thing I'm going to do is put another 20-gallon there for potatoes. So I have 2 carrot 20 gallons, and I'll have 2 20 potato gallons. And then I have these right here. I'll probably just leave 2 here and then put that one over there, because that is actually my garlic that I planted to winterize and then bloom in springtime. But I'll probably leave 2 here and put 1 over there as well. But I like how this setup looks though. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to cut off my garden lettuce, and I'm probably going to have to soak this in cold water because it's bitter. It wasn't like that last week, so I probably should have harvested it then, but it's okay. I've been really wanting like lettuce and stuff like that, so I'm happy that I can harvest this. Garden lettuce done. Now I'm gonna do my Swiss chard. Okay. My greens are clipped. My celery, that's in there too. I don't know if anyone remembers, I planted celery a while ago. But that's coming out too, so that will probably maybe go through winter, because I know you can grow celery during the winter time, so we'll see. I'm not going to get any kale unless they revive itself. I did plant other seeds in there, but it's just a matter of if they'll grow. And then I have more Swiss chard there, and my cauliflower ain't that great. It got eaten really bad. And there is the culprit right there. Yeah. So, love that. Yeah. I did plant other ones, so we'll see what happens if they come out. But yeah, that's it for my greens, I guess. And more will probably grow, which that's fine. I just wanted to get the overgrowth out so that if new ones wanted to come out, they can come out. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna freeze this because they're a little small, but one's not done yet. That one's not done yet. Like if they're longer, I'm going to, that's when I want to clip them because then I can just easily hang them up. For teas, especially when you're sick. Alright, and now I'm going to be harvesting my lemon balm and my catnip. And I'm honestly just going to cut some of them off, like some of the trees off, and maybe I can try hanging them upside down. I don't know if that'll work. I just always laid them down, but I just feel like it would be easier for me to pick the leaves off, honestly. So that one's a good one. I'm really trying to get a lot of these herbs inside. See, like some of these are good, some of these are bad. So I'm trying to get some of these herbs on hand for the winter time too. So I have my teas in order. And the more will grow. The more you clip, the more they will grow. I just like picking them off by the leaf. That one's good too. Alright, got some on the bone. And then I'm just gonna get some catnip quick too. See, a lot of these look kind of bad from Charlie whenever she laid in it. So, I don't know. Maybe I can still use them. Obviously I'm just drying them, so yeah. Whatever bugs are in there will come out eventually. Probably should let this grow a little bit more. But, okay. Okay. I like having the netting over this, personally. Like, I like the structure that I made, and I wanted to do the same thing over there with the other structure, but I didn't have enough tools. But I might be able to do the same thing just in wood pipe over there, and then just have it raised up for the springtime. I don't know. But this structure that I made is probably my favorite. I will link it in the cards so you guys can check it out. This is my favorite DIY that I've done as far as the garden goes. Okay, and this, I'm still trying to figure out, like, that's why I was doing everything on that side, because I was still trying to figure out what I was going to do with this. But for right now, I guess the best thing to do is just take it apart. So, because I can probably use the twine that's on here as well to make another tie or something. So, where it's going to be take a little bit longer, because no, I wrapped these pretty good. All right, I got yarn back. So if I want to use this too, I can, or I can save it for my herbs that I have to tie up. So that's probably a better idea. And I'm gonna actually leave this stick here because this is what is holding up my my trellis. But I think what I'm gonna do is kind of put an indent in it with the scissors, so it's better in here. So what I did was I put one I don't know how high up it is, probably about maybe 3 inches, 4 inches. I'm not sure. I didn't measure. Just what I think it would be the height, a good height. So I put one here and there, one over there and there. And now I'm going to take a small piece of netting and put it on top to see how that will work. And if not, we might have to put more. And I'm just going to take these two, or these three, and just put them on either side. So I already have one in the front, and then I'll just use my clips to kind of hold it down. So that will fix that problem, I think. It'll work for what it is. I think it looks pretty good for how I'm setting it up. So hopefully it'll last a little bit. I know I should probably just disregard the onions, but I want to see what will happen. I'm sure you guys will tell me too what will happen, but I just want to see what will happen when I have onions in here. What it'll probably ruin the soil, I'm assuming, but I feel like I should put one stick back there now. That'll be what I do. Let's put this stick in here. Alright. And I'm just gonna take these clips that I have laying everywhere, and I'm just gonna secure them with these clips so that they can stay secure, like everything can stay secure. Hoping this works too, which I think it will, but just gonna put it at the one at the top and one at the bottom. So it's like a little canopy, or essentially like a mini greenhouse or something, but it's netting, not. And I'm sure, like, I think I could actually put like shower curtain over top of this to make it like a greenhouse effect, but we'll see. I have never gotten this far in gardening before, because obviously, like I said, last year Rick passed away and I kind of just stopped gardening, but this year I'm really trying to do like the winter. I just want to see what happens during winter time. So that looks a lot better now. Alright, and then I'm going to just be taking down my pumpkins now because they are done, and I would like to just clean this up a little bit. Still have not made anything with my pumpkins. If you guys have any ideas on what to look up to make with my pumpkins, that would be awesome, because I'm not sure. Because I was originally just going to see if there was any pumpkin seeds inside, so then I could roast them and have them. But for the actual pumpkins, I'm not sure of any recipes per se. But obviously, I'll probably make some like pumpkin pie or something. But anyways, I'm just gonna snip those. Oh, I think it's starting to rain now. Ow. I need to get my gloves, but I actually don't. Oh wait, they're over here. The rain. Up above yonder. But I'm glad that I'm doing this now, so the rain can wash away here. Let's get ready for the next one. And like I said, I got these cages at Lowe's, and they're just like adjustable, foldable. They're really nice. I was very happy to get these. I would love to get more of these because I think these are absolutely great for pumpkin, like small variety pumpkins. I might honestly do, next year I might do big pumpkins and small pumpkins. Now I don't know if I'm going to be doing it on this one, like these type of trellises. I'm not sure yet, but I'll see. I really like these. These are really good. I'm sorry, Goo. I took away your hiding spot. I'm sorry, County Goo. Alright, so it literally looks like it's about to rain. It's getting dark outside, so I'm going to do this really quick. I'm just going to be snipping off my marigolds and cutting down my marigold plant. Now Now I don't know if these are, like, marigolds are medicinal or not. I don't remember what kind of marigolds I actually planted here, but I have to look and see what kind of marigolds they were, because I don't know if these are necessarily medicinal for like teas and stuff like that. I have to actually check that out to see, but these ones actually did tea. They took with the watermelons, but unfortunately the watermelons didn't survive, so I'm just gonna assume that it's because of all the stuff that was in here. Like, I had sunflowers in here, I had just a bunch of stuff in here. So I think next year what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to plant watermelons in here. I'm not gonna plant anything else. I'll put like sunflowers around it, maybe marigolds around it too, but I'm not gonna plant anything else in here. They're pretty long. Alright, so now this will only be for my watermelons next year. Soil is pretty good in them too, honestly. That's probably the last thing I'll do, is just put straw where I think it needs it. It's gonna rain, so the soil will be very much neutralized with rainwater. It actually looks a lot darker than how it's showing. Honestly, just leave it how it is, and then I will come back to put straw on everything again and do everything else that I need to, which I think everything is mostly done now. But I'm really happy with how this looks. Everything looks nice and clean and organized. This video, I hope it helped. I hope my structure helped, so in case you guys just need something quick and easy. I think that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!